Alrighty, in this video we're going to go over the reassembly of the Beretta PX4 Storm handgun. In a previous video we did the disassembly, now we're going to go ahead and put all the parts back together. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take the slide here, and we're going to take the barrel and put the barrel back into the slide. Now the thing to remember here is that this is a rotating design, so it has this flat part machined on one part of the barrel here. You want the flat to be parallel to this right side of the slide here. So when you go ahead and drop the barrel in, go ahead and put the barrel through the large hole at the front of the slide and make sure that the flat part is parallel, and go ahead and push the barrel back so it locks up. Once you've got her inside the slide here, you're going to want to make sure that the flat part stays facing that parallel slide. If this starts to rotate, the barrel won't lug fully. So just go ahead and rotate the barrel all the way to the right so it locks in. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the recoil spring assembly, and we're going to take this pin here, and we're going to put that in the cutout recess on the slide. So go ahead and put that in. Now what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to lug this first lip onto the beginning of the barrel there. So what you do is just go ahead and compress the recoil spring assembly down until it goes below the barrel, and it'll lock in underneath. You can hear it snap into place and you'll be ready to go. You'll notice when the barrel is actually lugged in that the lip on the recoil spring guide will actually catch on, so you won't be able to push and pull the recoil spring off to the back, but you will be able to rotate left and right. Last thing we're going to do is we're going to line up the rails on the frame with the rails on the back of the slide here. Start here in front of the takedown lever and start with these rails and just insert them into the two notches back there, and very calmly go ahead and push the entire assembly back onto the gun, and everything will lock up. Perform a quick functions check, rack, empty, trigger fire a couple times, and then test the decocker, make sure everything works just fine, and everything's good to go. And that is the reassembly of the Beretta PX4 Storm handgun.